Come on. Is there any way to get that light to turn on? It's kind of in the way. Oh, doggies! Ow! Good shit, dude. She's like, I'm angry, so I'll just take it over. You're so funny. He's so funny. Tells her. Get it, Dozer. Get Snow.
My toes, dude. Dozer, are you having fun playing in the snow, buddy? Oh, Pepper. You okay? What happened?
I don't know.
Pepper, you alright? You okay?
She probably inhaled something. Dozer. Dozer, go. He's so funny.
What was that?
I think it was a tree branch or something. I think something's in the tree, probably.